What's up, YouTube? We're out here today. A customer called us, wanted us to do an asphalt repair job, and we get here and he'd already bought a bunch of cold patch, so we decided just to go ahead and use the material he had to try to save him some money. I'll show you what we're using and what we're doing. So right here you got the black top repair Quickcrete. He's got a hand stamper that he had bought, and it looks like they've cut a couple of feet out of the road here to run cable underneath the road right here at this point. And so we're gonna rake some of this gravel out, smooth it up, put the material in there, rake it down smooth, and pack it down. Taking broken pieces out of it, that way, you know, we can get a good seal on it.
Right.
Would it be all right if I put some?
Oh yeah. Yeah, whatever you need to do.
Get some of it out of there. That way we got room to put some mix in there. You get about 2 inches of that stuff in there, that cold patch, it does better.
Okay. You reckon I need to go later on buy 2 more bags, or you think that'll?
We'll put it in there and see what it looks like, and then if you need more, you can always add some to it. You kind of have an idea how to do it by then.
Okay. No, I never seen anybody use that stuff there.
It works pretty good for stuff like this.
Mm-hmm.
this stuff here, you can drive on it.
I was going to ask you when would you be able to drive on it?
Yeah, you'll be able to drive on it as soon as it's packed, like this right here.